Hello guys, what is up? It's Maddie, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. As promised by me in my last video, I'm going to be doing a room tour slash house tour, kind of my house and room. So, that's what we're going to be doing today. It's going to be a really fun time and you're going to love it. And if you don't love it, you're going to go to jail. But before we start this video, let's have a word from our sponsors.
This video is sponsored by ear infection. Ear infection. I've had one for 3 weeks and it won't go away. I think something is seriously wrong with me because now the back of my head hurts. And I hope I don't have a brain tumor on both sides of my head. Thank you, Ear Infection, for sponsoring this video.
Now I have cotton in my mouth. Anyway.
So this is what my house looks like when you first walk in. It's also really loud outside. I don't know if the walls are thin or something's I can just hear everything that happens outside all the time. Like, we get it, you asshole. I understand that your truck is making up for the size of your penis. Anyway, let's continue. This is what it looks like when you walk into my house. I'm not going to show you the outside of my house because I don't want you to come and find me, because that would be creepy. So we have our little living room over here. All of this stuff was here before I moved in, except for that pillow and that pillow. That's my addition. These couches are ugly, but very comfortable. And then that's a lamp. And that's a box of tissues for when you cry while watching movies. This is a table that you eat at or don't eat at. This is my roommate's package. This is stairs that we won't go up because the people that live up there probably don't want me showing the internet their rooms, which is very smart. This is the kitchen, and this is a box of peaches, and these are very rotten bananas. This is where I cook things and burn things. That's my food. Kitchen. Window. That's the laundry room, which we won't go in because there's no point. It also smells really bad in there. I've yet to figure out why, but our laundry room smells like rotten ham, and I don't understand. Every time I walk in, I just get a whiff of ham. I don't even like ham, and rotten ham is just like even worse than regular ham, so I don't want to put myself through that and go in there and show you around. Also, we have a nice picture of a shirtless man holding a cat on top of our refrigerator. Let us continue with the tour. So as you continue around this way, this is my area. Over here, there's no light, so the lighting's really bad. I'm about to sneeze. I have my calendar with just like things on it that I have to go to or need to remember. I don't put my homework on it like I did last year because I have way too much homework to fit on it. So this is the bathroom. Let's go in here. Voila. I got this shower curtain from Urban Outfitters. I think it's super cute. I'm in love with it. It's way cuter than the one that was in here before. Not bashing on whoever picked that one out. I just hated it, so I got a new one. That sounded so mean. I just think this one looks really cute in here. And then this is the matching rug. It also has rainbows on it. And then these are my decorative towels, thanks to my mother for telling me that I need to get decorative towels. So here are my decorative towels. I have some things up there. A sun made out of wood. Oh, and a moon. Sorry for discriminating. Here I have this little basket that I hold my contacts in, my tissues, a trash can, my sink area, which is so nice to have my own bathroom. These are the things that I like use every day and night, so I just keep them out on the counter. And then under here, this is where I keep everything else. It's actually pretty organized. It looks kind of messy. I probably should have like tidied it up a little bit, but everything has its place. So like here's like my hair stuff, my flat irons, blow dryers, brushes, combs, and then over there is like miscellaneous bottles. Here's like hair ties and scrunchies and headbands. Under there is like face stuff, like face masks and more acne treatment and stuff. And then I have towels under there. Over here is my first aid and lady things section. So I don't think you have it. You probably don't want to see that. So I won't open that one up. There's not a dead body in there. It's just tampons, but there's really not a dead body, I promise. I promise you, there's not. So here is my room. I put this little sign outside that says take it one day at a time because my mental health is slowly declining and I need a reminder to stay positive. Here's my room. Okay, so when you walk in, you see my beautiful bed and my iPad that I like to play Sims Free play on instead of doing my homework. This is my bed. It's the same bedding as last year. I have all the same pillows except for this pillow is new and it's from Urban Outfitters and it's really cute. I did 2 dorm room tours last year, so I'm sure you can find where everything else is from in those videos. If you want to go watch them, I will link them below. Also, I posted a video of me setting up my room, my move-in vlog, which is also up on my channel. I will also link that below if you haven't seen that yet. You should go watch it. Anyway, this is my art slash quote slash fun wall. So these I actually found on Tumblr and I printed them out. That's the artist's signature. I don't know who they're by. I should probably look it up and give credit. Hold on one second. So this is the Tumblr I found it off of. Yes, I still use Tumblr. I am a 14-year-old in 2014. I'm still stuck in that stage of my life. But I think that the originals are from this person. However you pronounce that name. Her artwork is beautiful, or him. Either way, it's beautiful, and I just like these things because they kind of calm me and make me feel better. Going into this year was like really hard, so I just tried to choose some like positive things to put on my wall so I could look at them, and they're really pretty too, so really cool. That I got from a record store where I live. Some of the stuff I made, as you can probably tell. It's just like a kilometer, that's not a word, of things on my wall. So yeah, and then over here I have, this says fear is a liar because it is a liar. And I have to continue to remind myself that every single day. So this is my bedside table. That's my junk drawer. It's just a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. Not really junk. That's my journal, some books that hold my lamp because the lamp scratches the table. This is my tiny hand that I like to keep by my bedside and I like to wake up next to every morning. Here's my hydro flask because I'm a Visco girl. And just kidding. I wanted to get Ryan Trahan's water bottles, but Ryan, they're out of stock. So please, sorry, you just lost my business. This Yeti cup is from my mom. I read this thing that says that Yeti cups are the redneck hydro flasks. But I have both, so ha! But yeah, this is what I bring to class, and this is what I drink out of at night. That's what I put my vodka in. Just kidding. That's not true. Over here, I have my box fan. I usually open my window during the night and let the air in because it gets hot in here. And my dirty clothes. Over here is my film wall. These are all the pictures I took this summer, or at least most of them. I love this part of my room. I just think it's so cool. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so cool. Over here I have my winter things, and over here I have my belts and this hat and some other accessories. I think there's some sunglasses in there and bandanas. Yeah, just like accessories. Right here I have my necklaces. Sometimes I just set them over there on my dresser, but for this video I want it to look nice, so they're hanging right there. That is my underwear, those are my socks, and that's like my recording equipment down there in the bottom. I have some pillows and bags stuffed right there. Looks really nice. There is my refrigerator. I think these videos are stupid because you can literally see what it is. Like, there's a refrigerator. This is carpet. There's a chair. I don't know. Whatever. Up here, I keep my sweatshirts. I have a lot of them, and these baskets are really cute. I got them from the at-home store, which, by the way, I don't know if this is like every at-home store, but the one where I live, it looks like, well, first off, no one works there. There's literally one person that works there, and it's the cashier. And sometimes they're not even there. But it looks like a post-apocalyptic world where like everyone is gone, like there's no one around, and then there's just this warehouse of furniture and like home supplies left, and it's just so unorganized, and like there's stuff everywhere and too much stuff, but it's like deserted, and it's just a whole experience. So if you want to feel like you're in The Walking Dead without being eaten by zombies, go to the at-home store. Anyway, let us continue. My suitcase is down here, and you may be thinking, Mattie, how is that a suitcase? Well, it's a really cool one that converts into a little bag. I forgot what it's called, but if you look up convertible suitcase, I'm sure you can find it, and it has a weird name. In here, I have my clothes, I have my pants, my dresses, my long sleeve shirts, my shorts, some short sleeve shirts, my shoes are up here and down here. And it closes. How nice. Over here I have my recording setup. My camera's down here. Well, not the one I'm using right now. That one I ordered a charger for like a week ago, and it still hasn't come in yet, so that's kind of weird. Anyway, so I'm not using my nice one, I'm using my vlog one. That sucks. So if you want to give me money to buy a new vlog camera, please do. This is my ring light. Then over here is my sweaters and jackets on this cool little rack thing. It makes me feel super cool. I have my Cave Towns flag poster thing up over here so the wall doesn't look so plain. And then over here, like my shoes that I wear more often. And the ones that look cool. This is my mirror and me. I like to stare at myself and point out all my flaws. Just kidding. Not really. Anyway, this is where I keep my purse and my fanny pack. These are my keys. This is my dresser that my mother so lovely painted me. If you want to see the process of that wonderful experience, you should go watch my moving in vlog. Oh no, I forgot to light candles. I was supposed to light these so my room looks cooler. Yo, this is my lighter that doesn't work. This is my dresser. I have my Dolly Parton shrine candle. It says Our Lady of Tennessee. It's the most amazing thing I have in my room. This is my little hand that keeps my rings, and then I have my earrings here and my bracelets there. And this is my record player and my phone. That's ruining the vibe. This is a painting I made, and it has my Polaroids around it. So fun. There are things in my drawers that you probably don't care about seeing. T-shirts, long sleeves, shorts, and tank tops. This is my guitar and ukulele. This is my shot glass I can't talk. Large shot glass. Large shot glass / small espresso cup. This is my computer. Oh, that's embarrassing. Yeah, sorry about that. This is my desk. I have some art supplies in this drawer, some school supplies in this drawer, a bunch of art stuff shoved under there, and wires. And my trash can that I forgot to put a trash bag in. I smell smell really bad right now. I'm like smelling myself and I smell gross and I don't know why. Anyway, this is where I keep my makeup. This little thing on top is makeup I use like every day. And then I have my crayons here because I'm a 5-year-old in college. And my pens and things, typical desk things. I have my, okay, Google. How did it hear that? Oh my God.
My apologies, I don't understand.
I was trying to be quiet so it wouldn't hear me. What the heck? That's scary. Some pictures up here. This thing my mom got me for graduation that broke and I'm really sad about it. My first place for design day certificate. My records are here. I have some books up here and other decorative items. And then over here, this is where I keep my textbooks. I have some stuff in here that isn't textbooks because I need to take it to my class, but I haven't had, I bought it and then I haven't had that class yet, so this is my backpack. These are my plants. And that's my room! Yay! I also forgot to mention the 3,000 pounds of medication I have by my bed. Heavily medicated. Yeah.
I talk about her like you know her. She's not telling me to be strong. I wanna look like I'm older. You know that you've got a bike. And darling, don't you come find me. Now that your old heart shine and all is cast out to sea, and you are what you imagine.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry for the little thing that kept coming down in the corner over here. That's because my vlog camera's broken. So, if you want to give me money, again, to buy a new vlog camera, I would greatly appreciate it. My Venmo is Mattie-Cox. And also, we're almost at 900 subscribers, which is crazy because that's only 100 away from 1,000 subscribers. And then I can start monetizing my videos and making money. So if you want to give me your money, not your money, if you want to give me money, but you don't even have to, it's not even your money, like that's like so little work. It's just pressing a button and then poof, I get money. Wow, that's so nice. Subscribe to my channel. That would be really nice of you. I post videos every Saturday now. Saturday, I changed it because maybe people will watch them if I post them on Saturdays. Why am I like sweating? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and put on post notifications if you want to do that. I will see you in the next one.